it goes over stuff pretty quick. Can go over big bumps. Yep. Hey, do you want to drive it down the big hill? Do you think it can make it down the big hill? Oh, yeah.
Oh, easy.
It just bounces off of stuff. Back up. Yep. Yeah, the torque moves the suspension. It loads up. Wow. It was. That was cool.
And when it's charging, the red eyes blink. That's pretty cool.
Another great feature of this is that the battery is just internal in there and it has long life. And to charge it, you just simply use this USB terminal. So you could bring a power bank or anything and just keep this charged up when your kids aren't playing with it, because they like to take this thing to parks or the beach and stuff like that. And it just winds up right in there. Turn the remote off right here. That takes two AAA batteries, and it's really small, so it's easy for them to use. Nice handle, very small, it's nice, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.